If you've been struggling to make butterfly locks yourself, this video is all you need to make this yourself. Hi, I'm Gloria Bell and I am here to help you learn how to make your hair yourself as well as take care of your natural hair without breaking your bank accounts. My tutorials are perfectly made for beginners, and if you're looking to learn how to care for your hair and how to style your natural hair yourself, then be sure to keep tuning in for more videos like this one. Thank you. So I have a little tutorial on how to make braids or how to make box braids yourself. Now the first thing you want to do is take your kinky hair through the loop using your crochet needle and tie the hair down. This way the hair won't come off. Then take another hair through the loop. This time around we're not going to tie it down, you're just going to drag it. This way we'll get enough hair to cover your real hair. You don't want your real hair to show, right? So we're going to do this 3 times. The first one is to tie down, the second one is to just add volume to the hair. Now the third one is going to be bigger than the first and second hair we passed through the loop. This is the hair we are going to start with. So like the second hair we passed through the loop, you are going to drag this one out and drag one side out. If you make one side a bit longer than the other part in order to use that longer part to wrap your hair with, creating that lock we want. Now we are going to be placing our thumb on the hair and wrapping the hair around our thumb twice just to give it that distressed look we want to have. I am going to show you this in a way where you get to see for yourself and practice and create that butterfly look you want. Now you know we passed out the kinky hair twice, right? So we are going to use all of those hairs to make this butterfly locks before adding more hairs, because I wanted mine to be really long, waist length if possible. And when you get to the end of one piece, you're going to tie it down so it won't come off. This hair is not even going to come off because it has a natural feeling to it. Now this is what I'm talking about. Wrap the hair around your thumb. So take the hair you're wrapping with a little bit above your thumb and release your thumb. That way you're going to get that distressed look you want. Now when you get to the tip of the hair you're working with, you just want to keep wrapping the hair around the remaining piece you have, then tie the last piece down, and that's it. So I am just going to let you watch this whole tutorial for yourself and hope that you'll be able to fully understand and practice. I will still explain this one more time, but I still want you to watch it and see if it's something you can do on your own without going to a salon or without, like I said, breaking your bank accounts. We're out here trying to save money and all and still look good, so let's just do this ourselves, you know. So when you're starting off, you want to wrap the hair around your natural hair or around the many pieces of hair you have about 4 times or 5 times if possible before placing your thumb on it to give it that distressed look we want to achieve. You know, the whole point of this tutorial is for you to know how to make butterfly locks, and this is just how you're going to achieve that. Place your thumb on it, then wrap the hair in front of your thumb and release it. It's basically that simple. So like, place it, wrap the hair, release it. So the same process. When you get to the last part of your hair, just keep wrapping the hair without placing your thumb and tie the last piece down. I'm still going to show you guys. I don't want this tutorial to be too long, and I want you guys to still learn it. Do you understand, right? So let me know in the comment section if I am way too fast, and if you still don't get it. I am still going to show you if you don't understand what I did. Okay? And you can you can definitely tell I am using my old braids to make this. I do not intend to take these braids anytime soon, to take them down anytime soon. So I'm going to use the hell out of these braids until I am tired of it. So let's just continue working. So the first piece you take in, tie it down, take your second piece in and just stretch it and leave it there. Then take your third piece in, the bigger parts, the one we're going to be using to wrap around our hair. Take that piece in and just use it to style your hair. Start with the bigger piece before going along with the other pieces you already have installed. So now when taking this big piece in, drag one part a bit longer and the other part a bit shorter. Do you understand? Remember how I said we are going to be working with our thumb a whole lot in this tutorial, or while making this hair? That is exactly what we are doing. So place your thumb, take the hair you're wrapping with, round thumb twice and release it. So do it again. Place your thumb, take the hair in front of your thumb twice and release it. I'm going to make this part really slow in order for you to see it properly. Now what I am doing is adding to the length of my kinky hair just to give me a longer length, because I want something long. So just add it. You don't have to tie this part around, just wrap it around your hair, place your tongue, continue doing what you were doing in the first place, and you just get it. So if you're still watching, I believe you like what you're seeing. So like this video, share with your friends and family members, leave comments behind, just like this video. And this is the end result. This is what my hair is looking like. Beautiful. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to join the family. Bye for now.